Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. So in the last class, we have discussed the exact differential equation. Okay. Exact differential equation. That means a differential equation. Okay. Let us share the screen. Uh, okay. So you can see in the last class we discussed these things. If a differential equation is exact, then how to check? Suppose this mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0. This is the given differential equation. Then this differential equation is exact if we can write this mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to derivative of some function d of f. Okay. So now, and also we know that from the definition of a partial differential equation, that is df is equal to del f by del x into dx plus del f by del y into dy. So now if you compare this 1 and 2, okay, if you compare this 1 and 2, then we will get this m is equal to del f by del x and n is equal to del f by del y. Okay, so now we have to find a condition so that we can check the given differential equation is exact or not. Okay, so we assume that the differential equation is exact. So finally we find a condition. That means what? Here you know this equation 3 and 4. Okay, if you differentiate with respect to y, okay, if you differentiate equation 3 with respect to y, then you will get this del square f by del y del x is equal to del m by del y. Similarly, equation 4 को तुम y में sorry x में differentiate करोगे तो you will get del square f by del x del y is equal to del n by del x. So now you know that from these two equation, this del square f by del y del x is same as del square f by del x del y. Okay, del x del y. So that is why this del m by del y is same as del n by del x. Okay, so this is the condition. This is the condition of a difference, exact differential equation. That means whether the differential equation is exact or not. Is exact or not. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so some problems you said. Okay, so let us see one question. For example, suppose for example, uh, e to the power x dx plus this is x into e to the power y plus 2y into dy is equal to 0. Suppose this is the differential equation. Okay, so now you can write what is your m here. You can write this is m is equal to m means m of xy. Okay, this is e to the power x, and n is equal to x into e to the power y plus 2y. So now what you have to find your condition m को y में डिफरेंशिएट करोगे, n को x में डिफरेंशिएट करोगे. So now you see what is del m by del y. Okay, what is del n by del x. Okay, m को y में डिफरेंशिएट करोगे, n को x में डिफरेंशिएट करोगे. So let us see if you find del m by del y. Okay, sorry, this is here, you see, sorry. This is e to the power y. Sorry, please change it. Okay, this m is equal to e to the power y, not e to the power x. Okay, so now if you find the derivative of m partial differentiation, okay, del m by del y, then when you find with respect to y, differentiate with respect to y, then you x is a constant, your x is a constant. So when you differentiate that time y is a constant. Okay, so here you see this del m by del y. So here term is only e to the power y, function is only e to the power y. So e to the power y derivative is e to the power y. Okay, e to the power y. Similarly, when you find the derivative with respect to x, okay, of n, then your x is y is a constant. So if you y constant, then taking e to the power y outside. Okay, y is a constant, so e to the power y is a constant. So x का derivative क्या होगा? That is 1. And here this is 2y. 2y is a constant because we are differentiating with respect to x. So y is a constant. So if y is a constant, then 2y constant derivative क्या होगा? 0. So which is equal to e to the power y. So now you see this del m by del y. Okay, this del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. Okay, so both are same, and if both are same, we can write the differential equation. Okay, the given differential equation is exact. The given differential equation is exact. Okay, the given differential equation is exact. Understood?
Sir.
The question is how to find the solution. How to find the solution of a differential equation which is exact. Okay, if the differential equation is exact, then how to find the solution? How to find the solution? Got it? So let us see. Suppose
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, we can find solution only homogeneous equation, differential equation, or non-homogeneous also.
yes. Okay, in previous class, okay, previously we solved the homogeneous differential equation and we solved the non-homogeneous differential equation also. Okay, homogeneous equation, non-homogeneous differential equation also. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
but you see, but okay, every time you cannot find the solution of non-homogeneous differential equation because you see here this function. Okay, this function is also non-homogeneous. This differential equation e to the power y dx plus x e to the power y plus 2y whole into dy is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is also non-homogeneous equation. But this non-homogeneous equation you cannot solve by the previous method. Yes or no? Because if you write this, so what you get here, if you write this differential equation, the differential equation will be dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx is equal to this is minus e to the power y divided by x e to the power y plus 2y plus 2y. Okay, so this is non-homogeneous differential. This is not homogeneous. Okay, this is non-homogeneous differential equation. What if you substitute x is equal to x plus s, y is equal to y plus k? Can you solve it? Never.
No, sir.
Okay, so in differential equation different differential form के लिए different method है. Okay, so in the chapter 1, especially in chapter 1, we solve one of the first order differential equation. So what happened? First we check the separable OD. So if it is separable OD, then you can easily solve it. Then the next is homogeneous. If it is not separable, then you check is it homogeneous or not. If it is homogeneous, then we can easily solve it by putting y is equal to vx. Again, then if it is not homogeneous, then again we check this is non-homogeneous or not. Non-homogeneous कुछ फॉर्म था, दो केसेस था, इस उसी केसेस होने से हम सॉल्व कर पाएंगे, अदरवाइज नॉट. ओके, then you check non-homogeneous or not. If it is non-homogeneous which is a particular form, then we can easily solve it. If it is not, then go to the next, exact or not. If it is exact, then you can solve it. Then you go to next step. Okay, many methods are there, step by step. Okay. Okay, let us see here. So now you see the differential equation is exact. Okay, this differential equation is exact. But question is how to find the solution of this differential equation. Okay, so let us see. First we find a general form. Okay, then we find the solution. Okay, so you write here. Finding solution. Finding solution. कैसे find करोगे solution? So let us say, suppose your differential equation is m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. Given differential equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So let us see if we can write and let suppose this is your equation 1. Let this differential equation is exact. This differential equation is exact. Okay, if this differential equation is exact, that means that is we can write this df is equal to, this is m dx plus n dy. Okay, this differential equation is exact means we can write this m dx plus n dy is equal to d of something, d of f. Okay, and if we can write this, then here you see suppose we are integrating both sides. So if you integrating both sides, so integrating both sides, so left hand side will be f, and what is your right hand side? Your right hand side is, you can see one function with respect to x and another is with respect to y. We are integrating with respect to x and we are integrating with respect. So when you integrate the right hand side, so either we integrating with respect to x or we are integrating with respect to y, not both at a time. Okay, suppose we are integrating with respect to x. Okay, so suppose we are integrating with respect to x. So this is integration of m dx. Okay, and this n term dy term, this is nothing but this is a function of y. Why function of y? Because when we look in two variable function, okay, two variable function means suppose m of xy. Okay, two variables, two independent variables are there. M is the function of x and y. When m is the function of x and y, and when we integrating with respect to x, then that time your y is a constant. And when you integrate with respect to y, then that time your x is a constant. So here we are integrating with respect to x, and your y is a constant. So that is why when you integrating the constant term contains y, constant term contains y. That is why I am writing here ky. Okay, function of y, because here y is a constant. When you integrating, some constant will be there. Integrating constant, that integrating constant contain y, because here y is a constant. So that is why this function is k of y. So now, if f is equal to integration of m dx plus k of y, but finding k of y, but how to find k of y? Because k of y is unknown. We are integrating with respect to x. That is, we are integrating m with respect to x. That is, you can find. But how to find ky? The ky is what? To find ky, to find this function ky, the differentiate again, differentiate. This is suppose equation to differentiate equation to with respect to y. Okay, with respect to y. Now, if you find with respect to y, so what you get? This del f by del y is equal to, suppose this is a function, suppose you write this is m1. Okay, this integration of m is equal to suppose m1. Okay, so this is del m1 by del y plus k dash, because this function, this ky is only function of y, so that is why I'm writing the derivative. Okay, k dash. Okay, because we are del differential with respect to y, so this partial derivative is same as the ordinary derivative. Why? Because this function is only a function of y. Okay, so this is k dash y. So now if you equate both sides, okay, and this del f by del y is what? Your del f by del y is what? The del f by del y is equal to n. This is del f by del y is equal to n, and this n is equal to, this is del m1 by del y plus k dash y. Okay, so from this equation we can find this k dash y is equal to, this is n minus del m1 by del y, and this is a function, nothing else. And you can easily find what is ky. And this ky is equal to integration with respect to y. Integration with respect to y. Okay, plus c. Okay, this ky is equal to this much. And if you find ky, then what is your solution? Your f is equal to. Okay, therefore your f is equal to, this is what? You go to the equation 2. In equation 2, your f is equal to integration of m dx plus ky. Integration of m dx plus ky. This integration of m dx plus ky. Your ky is this much. Okay, this is integration of n minus del m1 by del y, okay, into dy plus c, plus c. Okay, so this is your solution. If f is equal to this much, okay, this f is equal to this much, this is the solution. Okay, and here you see from the equation 1. Okay, so it sorry, equation yes, equation 1, this m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. M dx plus n dy is equal to 0. That is, your df is equal to m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So if you taking integrating both side, then what you get? This f is equal to c be the solution. So f is equal to c. This is your solution. This is your solution. F is equal to c. Okay. So in generally, तो हियर द फंक्शन, तो बेटर होगा यहाँ पे सी और मत लिखो। ओके, हम डायरेक्ट सॉल्यूशन लिखेंगे तो सी लिखने की कोई जरूरत भी नहीं है। ओके, तुम चाहो तो लिख सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो हियर योर f is equal to this much. If f is equal to this much, then f is equal to c with the solution. F is equal to c with the solution. Okay, f is equal to c with the solution, and this is the procedure to find the solution of a exact differential equation. Of a exact differential equation. Everybody understood?
सर आफ्टर इंटीग्रेटिंग बोथ साइड के बाद एक बार फिर से बता देते हैं।
Okay, this equation 2.
नो सर, इक्वेशन 1।
Equation 1. Okay, equation 1 is what? Your given differential equation. Suppose mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. This is your given differential equation. So we assume that this differential equation is exact. If the differential equation is exact, then we can write this mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Now we can write this mdx plus ndy is equal to df. Okay, now if it is written df, then if you integrate both sides, okay, this integration both side means this integration of this of integration of this, so what you get, f is equal to c. Okay, and f is equal to c, okay, integration of this, f is equal to c with the solution, and f का value क्या होगा, we have to find what is the value of f. So f is, you can write from here, f you can write from here. Okay, so now okay, so now integrating both sides, if you integrating both sides, so left hand side will be f, because df का integration क्या होगा, f होगा, but in right hand side two variables are there, with respect to x भी है, with respect to y भी है, but either you can find integration with respect to x or y. Okay, so I am integrating with respect to x, you can also integrating with respect to y, no problem. Okay, suppose I am integrating with respect to x, then the second term is constant, and that constant term is contains y. Okay, the integration of a m dx plus ky, ky is a function of y because this is constant which contains y term, so that is I am writing this is function of y only. Okay, so now how to find ky? तो अगेन ky फाइंड करने के लिए हमको y में डिफरेंशिएट करना पड़ेगा, तो बोथ साइड को y में डिफरेंशिएट करो, इफ यू डिफरेंशिएट y बोथ साइड, देन व्हाट यू गेट, that is del f by del y is equal to this del m1 by del y, and m1 is nothing but this m1 is equal to this m1 is equal to integration of m dx. Okay, this m1 is equal to integration of m dx. Okay, so this is del m1 by del y plus k dash y. Okay, so you can easily find k dash. Okay, because del f by del y is nothing but this is n. Okay, del f by del y is nothing but this is n. Okay, so this n is equal to del m1 by del y plus k dash y, तो k dash y को रखोगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, बाकी वो राइट हैंड साइड ले जाओगे, तो y ky फाइंड करने के लिए we integrate both sides. Okay, so this integration gives you ky. Okay, after getting ky,
Thank you, sir.
substitute. Yes. Okay, any other doubt? Okay, let's solve one problem. Okay, sorry. So let's solve one problem, then it is easy to understood. Okay, let us see. Solve one problem. The same problem we solved the previous one. Suppose e to the power y dx. Okay, e to the power y dx plus x into e to the power y plus 2y dy is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So let us see, here m is equal to e to the power y and n is equal to this is x into e to the power y plus 2y. So this differential is exact, we have already checked in the previous example. You see So del m by del y is equal to e to the power y, and del n by del x. Okay, this del n by del x is equal to, this is e to the power y, obviously e to the power y, because x का डेरिवेटिव वन हो जाएगा, because e to the power y is a constant, because we are difference with respect to x, so is a constant. So e to the power y रहेगा, x का डेरिवेटिव 1 होगा, and 2y is a constant, उसका डेरिवेटिव 0 होगा. So this is also e to the power y. So now you see that the differential equation, okay, this del m by del y is equal to del n by del x. Okay, so therefore the differential equation, okay, the differential equation is exact. The differential equation is exact. So now how to find the solution? If this differential equation is exact, then we can write df. This df is equal to e to the power y dx, e to the power y dx plus x into e to the power y, x into e to the power y plus 2y dy. Yes or no? Mdx plus ndy, you can write df is equal to this much. So if you can write df is equal to this much, so that means we can write this df is equal to, this is your mdx plus ndy, mdx plus ndy. So now what we have to get, if we integrate both sides, okay, integrate both sides, okay, integrate both sides. So here f is equal to integration of m dx plus k of y. Okay, as per the process. Okay, we are integrating right hand side को हम with respect to x में integrate करेंगे, तो second term क्या हो जाएगा, only function of y रहेगा. So this is f is equal to integration of m dx plus ky. So now you see this, what is integration of m. तो m का वैल्यू क्या है, m का वैल्यू e to the power y है, तो this is e to the power y dx plus k. Okay, so which is equal to, so e to the power y with respect to x में integrate करोगे, तो x में integrate करोगे तो y is a constant, so e to the power y taking outside, so this is integration for dx only plus ky, and which is equal to, this is e to the power y into x plus ky. Got it? This is your f. Your f is equal to x into e to the power y plus k of y. So now again we have to find the value of ky. तो value of ky find करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, y में differentiate करना पड़ेगा. So let us see differentiate. Okay, differentiate with respect to y. If you differentiate with respect to y, तो क्या होगा, this is del f by del y is equal to, this is del by del y of x into e to the power y plus, okay, तो यहाँ पे जो k dash y में लिखा हूँ इसमें पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव नहीं होगा, because this ky is only function of y, so this partial derivative with respect to y is same as the ordinary derivative with respect to y. Okay, that is why I am writing k dash y, because this is only function of y, x term is not there. So now this del f by del y, this is n, which is equal to this del by del y of x e to the power y. तो y में डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो x is constant, तो x को आउटसाइड, टेकिंग आउटसाइड, एंड e to the power y का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा, सेम e to the power y plus this is k dash y. Got it? So now let us see, that implies what is the value of n. You see what is the value of n. n का वैल्यू क्या है, this n का वैल्यू है x e to the power y. Okay, you see x e to the power y plus 2y, x e to the power y cos 2y is equal to x e to the power y cos k dash y. So that implies, you see, both sides this x to the power uy will be cancelled out. So your k dash y your k dash y is equal to 2y. So if k dash y is equal to y, तो ky का वैल्यू क्या होगा? This integration of 2y, yes or no? And which is equal to y square, which is equal to y square. So now again you substitute. So if again you substitute, so what is your f? Your f is equal to x into e to the power y plus y square. Okay, your m क्या था? x into e to the power y था plus ky, and your ky is equal to y square. So this is your f. This is your f. Okay, so this is your f. So what is the solution? तो solution क्या होगा? Solution होगा f is equal to c, and that implies f means this is x into e to the power y plus y square is equal to c. This is the solution. This is the solution. Okay, this f is equal to c with the solution. That means your f is equal to x into e to the power y plus y square is equal to c. This is the solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So this is the process. You see again. तो पहले क्या करोगे? तुम पहले इंटीग्रेशन करोगे. ओके, तो पहले क्या करोगे? पहले एग्जैक्ट चेक करोगे. एग्जैक्ट चेक करने के बाद यू कैन राइट df इज इक्वल टू mdx प्लस ndy. तो बोथ साइड को इंटीग्रेट करोगे. बोथ साइड को इंटीग्रेट करोगे. मैं यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड को मैं x में इंटीग्रेट किया हूँ, इसलिए kf y फंक्शन आया. तुम y में भी इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हो. देखो सेम प्रोसेस मैं और यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ. देखो सेम प्रोसेस. तुम यहाँ पे df is equal to, suppose your df is equal to suppose e to the power y dx plus x into e to the power y plus 2y dy. तो इंटीग्रेट करोगे तो f आएगा. सपोज मैं राइट हैंड साइड को मैं y में इंटीग्रेट करूँ, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y में इंटीग्रेट करूंगा, तो मेरा होगा इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x into e to the power y plus 2y dy. ओके, मैं y में इंटीग्रेट कर रहा हूँ, तो जो कांस्टेंट टर्म आएगा दिस इज द ओनली फंक्शन ऑफ x रहेगा. दिस इज द ओनली फंक्शन ऑफ x रहेगा. तो यू कैन सी व्हिच इज इक्वल टू, तो इंटीग्रेशन करोगे तो x into e to the power y का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? तो x इज कांस्टेंट, e to the power y का इंटीग्रेशन e to the power y, एंड 2y का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? दिस इज y स्क्वायर. ओके, y स्क्वायर प्लस दिस इज फंक्शन ऑफ x. तो नाउ लेट अस सी. तो फिर kx फाइंड करने के लिए वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. देखो यहाँ पे मैं क्या कहता हूँ, मैं पहले इंटीग्रेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x में लिया था, तो उसके बाद मैं डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y में किया. ओके, बट यहाँ पे मैं इंटीग्रेशन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x y लिया हूँ, तो डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x होगा. तो नाउ इफ यू डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, तो दिस इज del f by del x is equal to, this is del by del x of x into e to the power y plus y square plus a dash x. मैं x में with respect to x में differentiate किया, and this del f by del x, this del f by del x is nothing but this is your m, and which is equal to, इसको partial derivative करो. Your y is a constant, so e to the power y is a constant, taking outside x का derivative 1 होगा और y square का derivative 0 होगा with respect to x में. तो which plus a dash x. And m का वैल्यू क्या था? देखो what is the value of m? Your m is equal to e to the power y. Okay, your m is equal to e to the power y. So e to the power y is equal to e to the power y plus k dash x. So now you see both sides will be cancelled out. Your k dash x is equal to 0. If your k dash x is equal to 0, your k x is a constant. Your kx is a constant. Yes, and obviously derivative 0 होगा तो constant होगा, kx constant होगा. So if kx is a constant, then what is your value of f? This f is equal to, let us see f क्या हुआ, x into e to the power y plus y square, x into e to the power y plus y square plus c. Okay, so this is the f, and the solution क्या होगा, f is equal to c1, another constant c1 be the solution, so that is x into e to the power y plus y square is equal to plus से x side में ले आओ जो another constant c2 होगा, this is the solution. तो देखो both the solutions are same or not, x into e to the power y plus y square is equal to constant is a solution, here the same thing will come. Understood or not? That means the right hand side we can integrate with respect to x, also we can integrate with respect to y. तो पहले x में integrate करोगे तो second step में y में differentiate करोगे, and if you take integrating with respect to y, then we second step you would differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so this is the process to find the solution of the exact differential equation.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in exam you have to show both this step or single?
No, only one step. Only one step you have to show.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
सर एक बार नीचे करना वो सॉल्यूशन लिखना.
That is correct.
और सर और नीचे.
Okay, this one.
यस सर.
Okay.
यस सर.
Okay. So let us see. So in this question, you can see in this procedure, you can see so your f. देखो. So when you find the f, so you see this is some function plus ky. This second term is what? Only the terms y term. Yes, only ky term is there. Only the function of y. Okay, you remember this one. Okay, so when we find the f, so this term is only k of y. Okay, the constant term is only function of y. Okay, and let us see another problem you do. Because from this we can find a shortcut way to find the solution of the exact differential equation. Okay, so you do another problem. Suppose 3x square y plus y by x dx plus this is x cube plus ln x into dy is equal to 0. Okay, suppose this is your differential equation. So let us see. So here m is equal to how much? M is equal to 3x square y plus y by x, and what is the value of n? Sorry, this n is equal to x cube plus ln x. So what we have to do? We find derivative of m with respect to y and derivative of n with respect to x. ये दोनों find करना है, and we have to check this two are same, then it will be exact. So del m by del y क्या होगा? Differentiate partial differentiation with respect to y. So x is constant. So x is constant means 3x square taking outside, this is constant, and y का derivative this will be 1. Okay, then plus here y by x, so 1 by x taking outside, so y का derivative also 1. Okay, so 3x square plus 1 by x. So here also del n by del x में differentiate करोगे तो x क्यू का derivative क्या होगा? 3x square, and ln x का derivative क्या होगा? 1 by x. So now you see these two are same. Del m by del y is same as del n by del x. So this differential equation is exact. Okay, the differential equation is exact. So if differential equation is exact, then we have to find the solution. The solution क्या होगा? Let f is equal to this m dx plus m dy, and integrating both sides. Sorry, df is equal to this one. Integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. So your f is equal to integration of m dx plus ky. So now this is equal to integration of m का value क्या है? Let us 3x square y plus y by x. 3x square y, 3x square y plus y by x dx plus a of y. So let us see, find the integration. x में इंटीग्रेशन करोगे तो y is constant, 3y taking outside, x पर इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? x cube y plus again taking y outside, 1 by x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? ln x plus ky. So if you simplify, so this is 3 cancel out, this is x cube y plus y ln x plus ky. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again differentiate with respect to y. Okay, then differentiate with respect to y. That means your del by del y is equal to del by del y of, this is x cube y plus y ln x plus k dash y, and del f by del y क्या होगा? That is your n. Okay, which is equal to, this is डेरिवेटिव करो, y में डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो x is constant, तो x क्यू आ जाएगा, y का डेरिवेटिव 1 होगा, and again ln x आ जाएगा, y का डेरिवेटिव 1 होगा, plus k dash y. And what is the value of n? What is the value of n? Your n is equal to, go to the previous, your n is equal to, you can see x cube plus ln x. You see here, x cube plus ln x. Okay, so here it is x cube plus ln x is equal to x cube plus ln x plus,
Sir,
yes,
sir, how can we say del f by del y is equal to n? Since
yes,
here k dash q, because k dash y here it is, we don't know what is k. K is constant, right?
yes. K of y is only the function of y term. Okay, only function of y. Your question is what? Your del f by del y is equal to n. How?
Yes, yes.
Okay, actually I am waiting for this question. Nobody asking. I am waiting for this question. Okay, okay, I'll tell you. This will be cancelled out. Okay, so that implies your k dash y is equal to 0. If k dash y is equal to 0, then ky is equal to constant, some constant. So if ky is equal to constant, what is your solution? Your solution f is equal to, देखो, you go to the previous, your f is equal to क्या होगा? x ky plus y ln x plus ky. So x ky plus y ln x, x ky plus y ln x plus ky is equal to c. So this is your f. And what is your solution? Your solution is f is equal to c. This is your solution. Take another component, c1. So that means your x ky plus y ln x is equal to c2 with the solution. This is your solution. Okay? So this is your solution. Up to this you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So your question is how this del f by del y is equal to n. Okay. So let us come to the previous class. देखो, देखो, you check question equation 3 and 4.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Because when we check the given, how to check the exactness, okay, that part, okay, you can see your df is equal to mxy dx plus nxy dy, and also your df is equal to del f by del x dx plus del f by del y dy, equation 1 and 2. And when you compare this 1 and 2, you will get del f by del x is equal to m, del f by del y is equal to n. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Hmm. Okay, so this is your solution, that is xqy plus ylnx is equal to c2. This is your solution. Okay. And also another shortcut is there, and that shortcut is what? This is this shortcut coming from this method. This method also. So suppose you write the another node. I write node करके लिख रहा हूँ. Okay. Let this m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is exact. Is exact. So that is, this df is equal to, this is m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Okay. And f is equal
सर
to
एन डी आई होगा, सर एन डी आई होगा.
dy, sorry, n dy. Sorry. So n dy is equal to 0, and your f is equal to c with the solution. F is equal to c with the solution. Okay. And what is f? Your f we can find, this f we can find, this is integration of m dx plus integration of n dy. This is the shortcut I am writing. Okay, but some conditions are there. Okay, so when we integrate with respect to x, here y is constant. Okay, so y is constant. Y is a constant. And when we integrate with respect to y, so here this is the terms. Okay, only y term we have to take, that is we can write the terms free from x. Okay, these two are the condition. So when we find f, we can integrate m directly where y is a constant, and integrate n directly where the terms free from x. Okay, that means जब n को integrate करेंगे तो we take only y term, only y term. Okay, only y term we have to take. Okay, like previous two example, I have already solved two example. Now we solve these two example using this shortcut method. So let us see. तो तुम्हारा first example क्या था? Your first example था e to the power y dx. Okay, e to the power y dx plus x e to the power y plus 2y dy is equal to 0. Okay, तो यहाँ पे this is exact. We have already checked this is exact. If this is exact, we can write this df is equal to, this is e to the power y dx plus x e to the power y plus 2y dy is equal to 0. Sorry, is equal to 0. So now, what is your f? Your f as per this formula. Okay, integration of m e to the power y dx. Here y is a constant. Y is constant. Plus integration of n, that is the terms free from x. That means जहाँ पे x term रहेगा वो वाला term नहीं लेंगे. ओनली y टर्म जहाँ पे होगा वो लगे, तो यहाँ पे जो x into e to the power y plus 2y, तो ओनली y टर्म है, दिस इज 2y। तो यहाँ पे दो टर्म है, x into e to the power y plus 2y, and in first term x into e to the power y it contains x, तो ये वाला टर्म हम नहीं लेंगे, not consider this term। okay, so we consider only 2y, so 2y dy is equal to, okay, is equal to c। so if you find that, that implies e to the power y is a constant, so this is e to the power y into x plus 2y का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, y square is equal to c। तो देखो this is the solution, you can check, this is the solution।
Yes, sir.
okay, come to the second example। second example क्या था, this is 3x square y plus y by x dx plus x cube plus ln x dy is equal to 0। okay, तो ये वाला एग्जांपल था, and also this is exact, we check this is exact। so now let us see, so here df is equal to, this is what, this 3x square y plus y by x dx plus this is x cube plus ln x dy is equal to 0। so what is the value of f, this f is equal to integration, okay, this is 3x square y plus y by x dx plus इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ क्या होगा, n होगा, तो यहाँ पे y इज ए कांस्टेंट, तो हियर y इज ए कांस्टेंट, बट यहाँ पे ओनली टर्म y टर्म लेंगे, यहाँ पे x नहीं होगा, बट यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ टर्म नहीं है, yes or no, because this n contains only x cube plus ln x, दो टर्म है and both the term contains x, so there is no y term, there is no y term, and if there is no y term then this is nothing but a 0, 0 होगा, okay, because there is no y term। okay, so now if you integrate, तो what you get, तो देखो यहाँ पे y कांस्टेंट है, तो 3x स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, x क्यूब, तो दिस इज x क्यूब y प्लस अगेन here y कांस्टेंट एंड 1 by x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा, ln x इज इक्वल टू c। जीरो का इंटीग्रेशन भी c कांस्टेंट आएगा, तो उस तरफ चला जाएगा तो सेम कांस्टेंट आएगा, तो दिस इज योर सॉल्यूशन, x क्यूब y प्लस y ln x इज इक्वल टू, देखो सेम सॉल्यूशन आया है कि नहीं।
Yes, sir.
ओके, वाइट टर्म नहीं रहेगा तो वहां पे जीरो कर दोगे, पूरा वो वाला टर्म काट दोगे, इंटीग्रेशन काट दोगे, जीरो रहेगा, ठीक।
Sir, in exam we'll do the easy method or the normal?
Sir,
हाँ,
can we,
एनीवन यू कैन डू।
Okay.
sir, can we use this process in exam?
यस यस।
Okay, sir.
ओके, oh your time is off, okay, okay, it's okay। हाँ, so next class we discuss about the non exact differential equation, so let us you write your roll number in the chat box। okay, in the chat box you write only your roll number, don't write present sir, okay, only roll number you write, because it's easy to put your attendance, okay,
Thank you, sir.
only write हाँ,
Thank you, sir.
okay, thank you,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you, thank you all,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
thank you।